What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this week's video is kind of funny to me because I started out going in one direction, and when I saw it wasn't working, I didn't give up and I just took it in a whole new direction. Yo, that's low-key a word for somebody out there. You know, it was going somewhere and you could have given up, you could have stopped, but you held on and you made it through, okay? So this video is it's pretty resourceful. You know, sometimes you're juicing and you have all this leftover pulp and you're like, what do I do with this? Well, for me, I turned it into an opportunity to give some love to my gluten-free viewers out there. I'm showing you how to turn that pulp into some amazing gluten-free muffins. So, if you want to see just how I did that, you already know what I'm going to say. I'm going to tell you to keep watching, but before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.
First thing we're going to do is take our peeled oranges. I think I've got about a cup and a half of some oranges. Adding in my ginger and my carrots. I'm going to start by adding in 1 cup and then add the remaining half a cup a little bit later. So I'm just going to screw the lid on my NutriBullet and then go ahead and start to pulse these. You can do this in a blender, which for some people might be faster, easier, but I don't have one, so I'm working with what I got. So, almost finished here. I've got a pretty smooth consistency, but like I told you earlier, I want to add in my remaining carrots and then just blend the rest. Alright, so I have a mesh strainer over a bowl, and I'm just going to use the back of a spoon, or you can use a spatula to just kind of press the juice from the remaining pulp. Y'all, this only gave me about 3 ounces, maybe 4 ounces of juice, which is why we're making muffins instead of a video about juice, because I didn't get it all. So in my bowl, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. I've got a cup of gluten-free flour, a little baking powder, also got to have a little bit of salt, and then I'm just going to mix all of my dry ingredients together. Moving on to the wet ingredients, I've got some oil. I've also got 1 large egg, a little vanilla extract, and then I'm using some soy milk, and then I'm adding in a little bit of sugar. Just give everything a good mix. If you've got a whisk, you can whisk it together. Now I'm going to combine my wet and dry ingredients, and then I'm just going to add a couple spoonfuls of the pulp. I started out with 3. Ultimately, I used 5 spoonfuls, but you can do it up to taste. It's really just kind of your preference. I'm going to go in with a little bit of some cinnamon. Now, I decided to go back in after the fact, and I was like, let me add a little brown sugar. Brown sugar ain't never hurt nobody. So I put in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, gave that a mix, and then here are those remaining spoonfuls of our pulp. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these in my muffin tins. Once I've done that, I'm just going to put them in the oven that's been preheating at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And here's what they look like. Be sure to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below.